May I help you?
Yes, I'm trying to fix my payment, and I dialed 616.
Hey, sir, could you speak up a little louder because I can barely hear you?